Before we get into the video, I would like to invite you all to our upcoming program, Easy Living Through Mindfulness Meditation, on July the 6th on a Sunday. In this program, we'll be talking about how to lead a life of happiness and fulfillment with the application of mindfulness meditation. Please sign up for the program, and I look forward to see you all there on July 6th. Thank you. In our everyday life, we get involved in so many different activities. We go to work, we take care of our family, we talk to our friends. By engaging in all these activities, we want to derive a sense of satisfaction and happiness. But if you ask yourself this question very honestly, am I deriving any satisfaction or happiness from the things that I do? Most of the times, you are not getting what you are looking for. We get lost in our everyday activities. Our mind is so busy. Our minds are filled with so many different thoughts. We are emotionally disturbed. We may feel angry. We may feel frustrated. Because of all this, we lose the balance of our mind. It leads to what we call as stress. We are, in fact, in a state of stress almost all the time. Stress is nothing but losing the balance of your mind. When your mind is balanced and calm, that state of calmness is going to give you the satisfaction, the happiness that you're looking for. So, when you want to live a life of happiness, when you want to have a sense of fulfillment, you need to look into what you are doing today. You need to look into those activities that you do and how your time is being spent today. When you do this analysis, you will realize that there are so many different things that are simply a waste of time. Some of those activities are draining of your precious physical and mental energies. With this understanding of where you should focus your energies, and by dropping those activities that are not bringing you happiness, you are on your way to live a happy and a fulfilling life, not only for yourself, but for your family and friends.